Naveah trying to get the crowd involved.
Naveah gets the crowd to get those hands clapping. They circle each other. Naveah's ready for business. The brain wants to stop and chit-chat a little bit.
I don't know why. I don't like talking for my women.
They lock up. Grabs it. And an arm wringer. Hammerlock. Rain reverses into a headlock.
She's cocky, that Rain.
Rain's very skilled at technical wrestling. I've told you this.
How do you know all this?
I've watched and done my homework. Naveah now with a headlock. She reversed it on Rain.
That's my thing. I saw her.
Oh!
They're just going, what reversals?
Rain with another reversal. See? Now Naveah stepping on the back of Rain's knee. Gets her to drop the headlock. Naveah now takes the hammerlock.
No, I do better watch this.
Rain with another reversal.
I wouldn't mind them doing a reversal on me, though.
Naveah now breaking it again. What's she gonna do? Another headlock. My God, these women. Oh, and a headlock takeover. Naveah in control now until Rain now puts her in a headlock. And she's doing push-ups. She's applying pressure.
I told you she's cocky. She's cocky.
Rain showing her muscle. Naveah breaks it. Grabs the headlock. Headlock takeover. She's got in control again.
Why are they just trying to one-up each other? Same move, same.
Rain again. Gets her in the head scissors. Oh, she wants, I guess Rain is calling to put this video on YouTube. That's what she wants. Naveah breaks it again. Goes with the drop kick. Gets Rain down. Naveah now. Oh, my
Beautiful,
God.
beautiful execution.
1, 2. Rain.
RJ, did you notice how beautiful the referee looked down there with the count?
I didn't want to make any comments about it because I'm trying to focus. Oh, my God. And a jawbreaker. Oh. 1, 2. 2 count.
I think she was in the back saying she was going to give her some heavy rain, and that's what that move just was.
Oh, my God. A shot across the shoulder blades.
That'll knock her lungs right out the front.
I think she's out of breath. And a big forearm shot. Now her head into the turnbuckle. Naveah's feeling the pain from Rain.
This is just turning.
And a big running knee into the back of Naveah by Rain.
Totally one shot.
Oh my God, and a big chop. Rain set her up as she licked her fingers.
Did you just say Rain licked her fingers?
Be quiet. 1, 2. Out of a snapmare, into the pin. Rain now in control. Oh, delivers a shot to her shoulder blades again.
Naveah's going to have to go see a chiropractor with a couple more kicks like that to the vertebrae. Forearms.
Shots to the stomach. Oh, Rain cutter, sore off. Kicks to the gut. Kicks to the back now. Rain now choking her.
I'm speechless, RJ, right now. I'm running out of things to say, really.
Oh, and a reverse choke. And she's wrapping her arms around the ropes now.
That's a half a tarantula.
My God, Naveah's. Oh, gets a drop kick to the back. She was stuck in those ropes. She couldn't get out. She was at the mercy of Rain. Rain now grabs leg. 1, 2 count.
Are we all at the mercy of Rain sometimes? Talking about when I want to cut my grass and it's raining.
All right, well, shot.
Forearm shivers, RJ, right to the upper region of the torso.
Sunset flip.
Beautiful.
The pin. 1, 2. Rain with the reversal. 1, 2. Don't even think about it. Oh. Naveah with the pin. Rain with the pin. Naveah with the pin. My God, it just keeps seesawing.
Obviously, the
oh, and a big clothesline by Rain.
The crowd doesn't know what they're talking about. This is turning out to be a better match than I ever thought.
She's got her in that submission hold. Koa asking Naveah if she's going to give.
I was asked that the other night.
All right, Cologne. Seriously.
I can't stop. It's the match. Sorry.
These women are probably half your age. And probably will make for half of your paychecks that you get here if they become ex-wife number 20.
That's a beautiful version of the camel clutch Rain has, using her hands.
Oh, my God. She just pushes on the back of her shoulders and drives her face into the mat. Goes for the pin. 1, 2. Naveah somehow getting that shoulder up again.
A resilient girl that Naveah is. A resilient girl. I hope she's got a little left in the tank because this match is going to be over if she doesn't mount some offense.
Rain now. With that head hold, headlock, delivering knees, snapmare, and she's got her in a chin lock now.
That looks like an Oriental sleeper. She may be going night night.
Well, I'm guessing you learned that from one of your many tours over in Japan.
I was the All Japan USA champion for 20 years.
I don't even know if they have that belt.
I retired it.
All right then. Oh my God, Naveah getting dragged to the mat by her hair.
Rain was just saying, wait, come here. RJ, you got to start watching these matches better.
I am. What are you watching? Grabs the leg. 1, 2.
Oh. That's a blatant choke.
Counting to 4 as Rain. Let's go with the choke. Naveah now getting choked in the corner.
It's all over for Naveah.
Rain stepping on that bottom rope. Oh! And a double stop to the chest of Naveah. Koa checking on Naveah now.
She may have knocked her larynx out. That was an awfully high double stomp.
Oh! Rain drags her out of the corner. 1, 2. Naveah grabs the bottom rope to break the pin. Rain getting frustrated now.
Rain better end this because things happen weird if you let the match just go on and on. I've seen it happen millions of times.
Rain grabbing those wrists and driving that knee into the back of Naveah. She's definitely working those arms and back.
That's almost a seated bow and arrow.
Naveah definitely in pain. Naveah now getting the crowd behind her.
Oh, the crowd not liking Rain. And who does?
Oh my God, Naveah rolls back for a drop kick. Rain is stunned for a minute. Naveah trying to get her to her feet.
I told you, you let him hang around. It's going to come back and bite you.
Rain coming after her. Big clothesline by Naveah. Back elbow by Naveah. Oh.
Oh, leg lariat. That's incredible coming from a woman.
2 count for Naveah. Rain now, go for the clothesline. Ducks it. Naveah spinning her around. Spins her back. Oh my God.
That was brilliant.
What a great neck breaker. 1, 2. Rain getting that shoulder up.
Naveah calls that Angel's Tears. She calls that move Angel's Tears.
All right. Well, the Angel's Tears didn't get the 3 count for her. Rain now reverses. My God. And a lung blower. 1, 2. Naveah kicking out.
Oh my God, the backstabber can't put away this woman. This is incredible.
Rain now, hooking her up. Blocks it. 1. Oh, they're rolling around. They're all reversing the pin.
Whoa.
Going around the ring.
One more. Oh. They got to be dizzy. They have to be dizzy.
I think both of them might be. Oh, and a chop by Naveah. And a forearm shot. And a chop. Naveah now sending Oh,